Welcome to our journey of discovering the most magnificent birds in the world. The bald eagle, the national bird of the United States, is known for its powerful wingspan and sharp talons. The harpy eagle, found in the rainforests of Central and South America, is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. The Andean condor, found in the Andes Mountains of South America, is one of the largest flying birds in the world with a wingspan of up to 10 feet. The Kea parrot, found in the mountains of New Zealand, is known for its intelligence and playful behavior. The resplendent quetzal, found in the cloud forests of Central America, is known for its vibrant green and red feathers. The Victoria crowned pigeon, found in the rainforests of New Guinea, is known